Sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully. And I never met a sunset which I didn't like. Hugot Tita Lerps! So mo na to, manguli na mi kay hapon na. It was indeed a beautiful day.
Hello, guguhan. Gusto uwan, oy.
Nindot jud kayo ang panahon, nikalit lang gid siyag uwan on our way home. And we love it. Who doesn't love rain? Yan, naloog mi. Kitag sara kayong uwan diring dapita. Nya nikalit pag yun. O diba, amazing day? From clear sky to gloomy sky to clear sky again. And then nikalit lag uwan. Kusog pa jud na uwan.
Eh. O, diba? Nagpa-uwan. Kusog kang uwan. Abi na ko naanod ka sa uwan.
Kapauwan po ko ay. Pero wala kay uwan dire. Kadito sa panahon. Pero wala uwan dire. Ha? Ha? May tiger ka diha. Mag-imagine daw nga namin sa Africa. Oh, asa man ang tiger?
Nitago na ang tiger ay, nigawas na,
Gitog na ang tiger. Tiger ko namin. Bigawas ang tiger, gitog na ang tiger. Oh.
Kay nindot jud kayo ang sunset of view diring dapitan. Nang hunong jud mi para mag picture taking.
Sige, pagsulti-sulti, yan.
Ikaw man akong voice over.
April is in Africa. How do you feel this Africa, April?
Very cold.
Oh, wow.
The lion, but I couldn't find one.
Yeah, I wonder where are the lions and the tigers?
Because it's so cold, so they're inside.
Ah, okay. Can you make them come here?
Come inside.
Okay. We will go there.
Yeah, but we will not get inside, ha?
Oh.
Yeah, because you know we might
No, they are my pets. It's okay. Yeah, they love me too much. Yeah.
let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't find one lion.
Ah.
I'm looking for a lion or a tiger.
Where's the lion?
I don't know, maybe inside the car.
Wow, the tree is very beautiful.
Yes, the
It
tree
looks
is very
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Africa.
Yeah.
Yes.
What part of Africa?
It looks like Africa.
It looks like Africa. Yeah.
It looks like Africa, but we are only in UAE.
in UAE.
Yes.
This is a part of UAE. This is Hatta.
Okay, this is Hatta.
Hatta part of Dubai, UAE. Yeah.
This is part of
Hatta. Yeah, we just came from Hatta Dam.
Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoy a lot.
Yes. You know that side, it's raining. And
Oh.
here, it's so dry.
Yeah.
It's very dry.
So you know the climate here nowadays is very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today it's very good. You know, we went to Ras Al Khaimah, and we
Yeah.
went to Hatta. The weather was so nice,
Yeah.
and it's gloomy, and then it's raining in between, and then
Yeah.
now it's so dry. So that's why we came here to see what Africa looks like.
And we will invite all our friends to come here in UAE.
Yeah.
Because it's so nice here.
Yes, he will be the sponsor.
We will go to Japan.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Africa.
Oh.
Hapit na mi moabot sa Dubai, so mao to ni hapit na pud mig petrol station kay di magini mawag tang among kape. Kape na pud ta mga umangkon, syaro dili ta kulbaan ani. Ganahan manggud ko mga piperme kay strong ba kaya kay kunya ipaglaban. Ipaglaban gikan sa duka. Ako jud siguro may problema kay bisan maunsa pa kadaghan akong kape na imnon makatug manggid gihapon ko. Hoy, kape ra gihapon ditong gihisgutan ha. Mao na napunta aning akong most awaited part. Kani bitong na mga sobra-sobra bitaw nya pabawnan jud ko permi ani ni Mami Kay para sa akong anak. Sus kadako jud akong ngisi. Aw mongisi pud to kong anak kinagabot na ko sa balay. Para sa atong pahalipay karon adlaw, paki-mention inyong mga friends diha sa ubos. Mga friends ninyo nga naamoy happy memories about sunsets and rain. Excited ko mubasa sa inyong mga stories. Then magpa-raffle ta sa mga naay entry. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share.